Hello students, today we are going to study 8th standard maths chapter 1 exercise 1.2 8th question. Simplify 1 by 2 plus of 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 10 into 3 and show that it is a rational number between 11 and 12. We know that we already learned Bodmas rule. So in Bodmas rule, the first preference to bracket, second one order means square value and cube value, third one division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So using the Bodmas rule only we have to simplify the equality. Here the first preference to the bracket only. So first you have to solve this part only. So 5 3s here, denominator is different. So 5 3s are 15 minus 2 2s are 4 divided by 2 5s are 10 divided by 3 by 10 into 3. So 1 by 2 plus, so 15 minus 4, the answer is 11. 11 by 10 divided by 3 by 10 into 3. So in Bodmas rule, next preference to division only. So next we have to complete this part only. So 1 by 2 plus 11 by 10. So division convert to multiplication means we have to change the reciprocal. So 10 divided by 3 into 3. So we have to complete the first this part only. So now multiplication 10 10 cancel. What is the remaining number? 1 by 2 plus, so here also 3 3 cancel, the remaining number is 11. So the answer is, so 11 2s are 22, 22 plus 1 23 divided by 2. So 23 by 2, the mixed fraction value is 11 1 by 2. So 11 1 by 2 lies between 11 and 12. Therefore it is a rational numbers lies between 11 and 12. Ninth question. Simplify the first one, 11 by 8 into minus 6 by 33 plus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 5 divided by 9 by 20 minus of 4 by 7 into minus 7 by 5. Here we have to apply the same Bodmas rule only. The first you complete the innermost bracket. So first you write 11 by 8 into minus 6 by 33 plus 1 by 3. So first you complete this bracket only. So 3 by 5. So division convert to multiplication. So take reciprocal here, 20 divided by 9. So minus of 4 by 7 into minus 7 by 5. So in multiplication we have to cancel the numerator and denominator, same table only. So 11 and 33 divisible by 11 only. So 11 table, 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 33. Here 8 and minus 6. So 2 table common, 2 table 8, 4 times 4 twos are 8. Here 3 twos are 6. Here minus 3 only here. So again 3 3 cancel. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Also what is the remaining number? Plus into minus, minus. So numerator value is 1 and denominator value is 4 ones are 4. The second one here also. So 5 and 20, 5 table common, 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So 3 and 9 also, 3 table, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. The last one 7 7 common, cancel. So second one, what is the remaining term? 1 by 3 plus, here 4 ones are 4 divided by 3. The last one, here minus is there, here also minus is there. So minus into minus plus 4 divided by 5. Now minus 1 by 4 plus, here denominator is same only. So under addition only we have to add the numerator. So 4 plus 1 5, 5 divided by the common denominator is 3 plus 4 by 5. Now we have to add the 3 rational numbers minus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 3 plus 4 by 5. Here 4, 3, 5 is a different denominator. We have to arrange the same denominator only. We take LCM. So the LCM value of 4 into 3 into 5. So what is the answer? So different terms only. Just you multiply. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. Here 60 is the common denominator. In the denominator in 60. So in 4 table 60 how many times possible? 15 times only. 4 15s are 60. Here also multiply 50 denominator means numerator also you multiply 15. Here also 3 table 60 20 times only, multiply 20 into 20. So 5 table here 5 table how many times? 5 12s are 16. So multiply and divide by 12. Now we have to arrange the same denominator as 60. Now multiply the numerator. So 1 15s are 50. So minus 15 is the first numerator value plus 5 20s are 100 plus 4 12s are, what is the answer? 48. So here the denominator is common 60. So 100 plus 48, what is the answer? 148. 148 minus 15, 133 divided by 60. So this is the answer. Second question, 4 by 3 divided by 8 by minus 7. So first you have to arrange the multiplication format. So 4 by 3. So division convert to multiplication. Take reciprocal, minus 7 divided by 8. The second one, 3 by 4 into 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 into minus 1 by 4. Now we have to cancel the common term. So 4 table 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Here also 4 cancel, 3 also cancel. Here 4 cancel. So what is the remaining number? Plus into minus, minus 7. Numerator value 1 7s are 7 and denominator 3 2s are 6. Second one, minus is the first, write the minus value. Here what is the remaining number? Remaining numerator value also 1, denominator also 1. So 1 divided by 1, the answer is 1 only. The last one, here plus into minus, minus, so numerator 1 only, minus 1. So minus is there, here also plus into minus, minus. So minus 1 divided by denominator value is 3. Here first you have to add the minus 7 by 6, minus 1, minus 1 by 3. So first you combine the first and second term. One whole number is there, one fraction number is there. Just to cross multiply, 6 1s are 6. So 6 1s are 6, minus 6, minus 7. What is the answer? Minus 7. 6 1s are 6. So minus 6 divided by 6. First you have to combine the first two terms. The third term write as it is 1 by 3. So minus 7, minus 6, the answer is minus 13 divided by 6 minus 1 by 3. Now we have to combine minus 13 by 6 minus 1 by 3. So here what is the LCM value? 6 and 3. So 6 is the LCM only. So already first denominator 6 is there. We have to convert the second one only. So 3 table 6 how many times? 2 times only. So 3 2s are 6 into 2 multiply by 2. So multiply 2 and divide by 2 also. Now only the denominator is same. Here first one is 6, second one also 6. So the common denominator is 6. What is the first one numerator value? Minus 13. Minus 2 ones are 2. So what is the answer? Minus 13 minus 2 minus 15 divided by 6. So again we have to cancel. So 3 table how many times? 15. So 5 3s are 15. 2 3s are 6. So the answer is minus 5 by 2. A student had multiplied a number by 4 by 3. Instead of dividing it by 4 by 3 and got 70 more than correct answer. Find the number. So the number is unknown value. Let's retake. Let the number be x. So instead of multiply, so first you multiply the number, let the number be x. So multiply by 4 by 3 means 4 by 3 x. So divide by 4 by 3 means x divided by the number. So x divided by 4 by 3, the reciprocal only 3x by 4. So multiply a number means 4 by 3x, dividing number is 3x by 4. What is the question here? A student had multiply a number 4 by 3 instead of dividing only. So instead of dividing now, what is the answer? First you write the multiply number only. So 4x divided by 3 equal to 70 more. This is the 70 plus. So the original number is dividing number only. So 3x divided by 4. So this is the given statement equation only. We have to find the x value. So this is the left side. This is the right side only. So arrange the variable in left side. So 4x divided by 3. Here plus 3x by 4 convert to left side. So minus 3x divided by 4 equal to 70. Right side only write as it is. Here the different denominator we have to arrange the same denominator. So cross multiplication method only. 4 4s are 16. So 16x. 4 4s are 16x plus into minus minus 3 3s are 9. So 9x divided by 3 4s are 12 equal to 70. Now 16x minus 9x, what is the answer? The same variable only, like terms. So 16 minus 9, the answer is 7. So 7x divided by 12 equal to 70. Now we have to find the x value. So write x value as it in left side. So x is equal to 70. So 7 by 12 left side only. Just convert to right side means take reciprocal. So 12 divided by 7. So now x is equal to, so 7 table, 70 possible only. 7 1s are 7, 7 10s are 70. What is the remaining number? 10 12s are. So 10 12s are, answer is 120. So the x value is 120. The number is 120. So thank you students. We will meet the next video class.